again. My favorite place, back in the Whites. We are doing Mount Jefferson today. We're gonna take the Jewell trail up and then hit the Gulfside trail over to Jefferson and then come back this way. So better for him on his feet. We can't do the Caps Ridge trail for Jefferson, it's too steep. And I don't want to take that chance with him, even though he is a mountain goat. But we'll see how long it takes. It's about 10 o'clock, late start. So here we go, onto the Jewell trail. We got 3.5 to Gulfside. Shouldn't be too bad of a hike for us. I'm hoping 6 hours. But here we go, on the trail. Yeah, second river crossing. We're pretty close to the Cog Railway. Beautiful. Never gets old. This view never gets old. My favorite is the presidentials. I'm gonna get out into the clearing in a second. Wingman's GoPro on, he got some good views as well. Oh. It's Mount Washington up there. We're going up this and to the left. Head over to Jefferson down there. Come back this way and life is good. Number 36 off the 48s will be done. There's the Cog Railway station down there, parking. We're about a mile down from there. Not bad. All right. Wingman's up there. We're in the clear. Loving life. All right, here we go. Well, it's probably a blip on the GoPro, but the cogs are going up. I don't know if you can see the puff of smoke. There's another one over here. But that's it. I keep hearing them. Keep hearing the horn. I love it. I love getting out into the alpine zone. It just gives you your second wind. So being in the woods for an hour and 20 minutes to get up onto this. Got about another 1,000 feet of elevation, but when you got views like this, who cares? Can't wait to get up on that ridgeline. I'll see you guys when I get on top of the ridgeline. Oh, we just got off the Jewell trail and I cut onto the Gulfside trail, and we're heading over to Jefferson. So I think it's right over this peak here, and following the cairns. Wingman's up there going the wrong way, but that's okay. I'm kind of skipping across here. That's it. Follow these suckers and we're good to go. But epic views, epic views. Washington over there, we can't see it. Endless. Loving it. Here we go. Come on, Chewy. Alright, just got over that ridge line and looks like we're gonna drop down a bit. I'm pretty sure that's Jefferson. I'm not positive, but check my Earthmate. But still, nice views all the way. So that's it. Just passed someone with a dog that came from Jefferson. They're doing the same thing, Jewell Trail. Just easier on the dogs. That's it. I'll see you guys when we're getting close to the top. Yeah, that big one in the back there, that's Adams. We did that a couple months ago. It's gonna be a pretty decent climb, but we're up for it. Some Chewy GoPro action. Here we go. All you can smell is pine. The air is so clean up here. Well, we're close to the top. A few more minutes. But getting to see the other side here. We were that way last 2 weeks ago. We were down on those mountains over there, looking over at Washington. I think it was the Wildcats. Yep. So, all right, going up. You see way off in the distance is the Autobahn road. It's the road that takes you up to Mount Washington. You can just barely make it out. You can see it. There it is. There's the top. Well, close to the top. There's the actual top. Pretty cool. I like to try that one time. Go up in the vehicle, see what it's like. Oh, wingman way up. Not even waiting. For a little stealth spot to have some lunch, some water. All right, it's Madison. I mean Adams. On the other side of that is Madison. Can't see it from here. Someone coming up from Cabs Ridge. We'll get up to the peak after we leave here. Nice little spot though to have lunch. Give him some cookies and relax for a little bit. I'll see you guys when we're back on the trail. All right, so we are descending from the top of Jefferson, heading back toward the Jewell Trail. Excellent hike, if I do say so myself. Highly recommend. Not steep at all, rocky, but not steep. One of the things I love about the Jewell Trail and the Gulfside Trail is you don't have to do a lot of steep climbing and steep elevation at once. It's just gradual. So all in all, great hike. So that's about it. We're gonna make our way back and call it a day. It's about 1 o'clock now. So it took us about 2 hours 45 minutes to get to the top. Took a 25 minute break, had some lunch, snacks, watered up. We're ready to go. So I'll be ready for my chocolate milk and Doritos at the end of this one. But that's it till the next hike. I think Mount Zealand with the wife we're gonna do, fall foliage. So I'll see you guys then. Say bye, Chewy. Chewy. Atta boy. Ha ha.